In this video, I will show you how to create a Spotify account. To make this process really fast, you want to open your preferred web browser and head over into the upper side and go for spotify.com. Inside here, if you're using a smartphone or a tablet, you can also download the free Spotify application from the App Store or the Google App Store. Just simply go into your App Store, which says Discover, look out for the element that says Searched, go for Spotify, and inside here you want to just click into the application and download it. Since I am using my computer, it won't be appearing in my actual application of Spotify, so that's the reason why I will be having access from Spotify directly into my browser. Inside here, focused into the element that says Sign Up, into the upper right corner. If you don't find that option, you can always try to open the browser once again, go from Spotify and go for Sign Up. When I click directly inside here, I'm going to go for this element that says spotify.com, sign up. And this will be leading me directly into the sign up section. What I wanted to do is to enter an email address, or what you can do is to sign up with a phone number, a Google account, or an Apple account. Let's go for a phone number. So when you click directly inside here, it will be sending you the actual prompt to select your actual phone number in order for actually creating your account totally for free. Finally, you will be seeing the Spotify terms and conditions and privacy policies. You will get a code verification via email or phone number depending on the element that you choose in order to verify your actual account. So there are also a couple of checkboxes that you might want to input. So one asks you if you wanted to receive let's say messages, share your registration data, or tailor ads. So here you can enter your email address, your name, the date of the birth, the gender, and hit for the element that says continue. Once you have now finished with this element, it will be now having access into your Spotify account. So in here, your new Spotify account is officially active. You will be redirected right into the Spotify web player, or you can download out the app section. If you wanted to see more information about your account, go into the upper right corner, click in there, and look out for the element that says profile. Or you can always click into here and go for account. This will be sending you right directly into the Spotify application, so you can check out more information about your account. So there you have it, guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.